Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tasha Dunia, and thank you so much for watching my first video which was on what is the right age to be pregnant and can I be pregnant after the age of 30. If you haven't watched the video yet, it is still in my channel, you can check it and give your comments to me. So today I have chosen the next topic, that is what are some important tips we should follow if we are pregnant. So the very first tip that is, and that is the most important one, that is getting prenatal care. What is prenatal care? It means if you want to be pregnant, you should watch out your history, your family history of pregnancy, if no complications is there or not, and you should go for your tie-up with your friend, because when you are going to conceive, then by that time you should have a very good sound mind, you should have a very happy mood and all, it should be there. So getting a prenatal care is very important in the initial time when you are planning for a pregnancy. That's more important. When you want to conceive, during that time you should check out if there is any risk, to the mother. Usually sometime if the mother is not well, is not having a good health, during that time the mother might get some kind of issues in the health. So those things you should look after before planning the pregnancy. So the first one is to get a prenatal care. Then the next important thing, the second most important thing, that is to do exercise. Yes, do a plenty of exercise throughout the pregnancy, starting from the day 1 to the last day. If you keep on doing exercise, it will help a lot to you. And if you are a lady doing exercise, some of you are fitness freak, and if you are a lady doing exercise, then that is the best. Why I am saying exercise? Because doing exercise will help you to go for a normal delivery, even if not even the normal delivery. If you are going for C-section also, then also exercise will help you to have a fit body, because usually girls feel like I'm so tired, feeling nausea and all. So a healthy baby can also come if you are doing exercise every day. So please keep on doing easy exercise. And what is the best exercise that you can do? That is walking. If nothing is there with you, then go for walking. Walking is the best. At least 30 minutes a day you should go for walking. Then the next third important thing is that you should go for a healthy diet, a balanced diet. That is very important. You should include a few things in your diet. What are they? The things that you should include is, I have already said, iron, calcium, whole grains, cereals, fruits, vegetables you should include. Many of us have a bad habit that we used to take fast foods and all. So usually it is there in the mind, if you take fast food, it will affect the baby badly. That's not at all true, but taking a lot of fast food will also hamper your health too. So if it is that you are pregnant, then you should minimize your fast food taking. You should not take a lot, you should take little. So that is for your choice. Usually what happened during pregnancy, we have a lot of carving for the foods are there. So you should not stop, you must not stop your carvings. If you want to take ice cream, if you want to go for rolls or whatever you want to take, you take, but do not take anything plentifully, because during this time unnecessarily you might consume a lot of fat. So that will affect, getting a lot of fat usually affect the delivery periods, delivery time. I will tell all these things in the next videos. So what I want to say is that you should go for every day in your food, it should be vegetables, there should be fruits, there should be iron, calcium rich foods, milk and all you should take, oatmeal you should take. And I will suggest that instead of going inside the malls, you should purchase the foods, particularly the fruits, you should purchase from the outside. Why? Because they used to give the fresh one. Instead you will always get the fresh foods, fresh vegetables and fresh fruits from them only. So you should check and you should purchase, and every day take fruits. That's very important to every one of you who are pregnant right now, and that will help your baby to have a very good growth. The next most important thing, which is also necessary for everyone, even if you are not pregnant, but if you are pregnant, it is much more important. That is, you have to stay hydrated. Take enough water, take plenty water every day. And how to know that I have taken a lot of water? If you feel thirsty, that means you haven't taken water. So you must not feel thirsty, that should be there. That is the measurement you should go for to know whether my body is hydrated or not. If you don't love to take water a lot, then you can go for some flavors into it. You can go for like putting something juice and all you can also take, that will also help, but enough water is necessary for your body during this time. The fifth point is one of the important thing. I will say that some of the girls have a habit of taking alcohol, and taking alcohol, some such kind of toxicants is not at all good. Going for smoking and drinking is not at all preferable during this time. Actually, even the medical science doesn't know what will happen to the baby if a heavy amount of alcohol is taken by the mom. How much loss it can be to the baby, how much hamper it can cause for the baby, that is medical science also cannot give in clear note. So that means a lot of hamper, lot of health issues can come in your baby, lot of complications can come in your baby if you are taking a lot of smoking and drinking you are doing. So with this I will say that please stop drinking and consuming alcohol if you are doing. And if you're having a mindset that I want to be pregnant and I want to conceive, then please stop it right now and plan for a healthy diet, plan for just taking out this alcohol and smoking from your daily routine, so that you can be a healthy mom and your baby will be a healthy baby too. And the last point that I will speak is very, very important, which is purely dependent on you, that is take care of yourself. Why you should take care of yourself? Because this is a time you are preparing yourself to carry another person. You are preparing yourself to be a mom. That is why please take yourself, and you should take care of yourself in such a way that you will be happy all the time. You should happy all the time, and the people around you should also be happy. Actually, when someone gets pregnant, it's not only the mom gets happy or the father gets happy, the total family gets happy, and that happiness should always be there, so that if a happy mom will bear a happy child. That is why it's more important. Take care of yourself. Try to read some, as per your habit, you can read some good books, you can listen to music, whatever your choice, but stay happy, so that it will affect your baby in a very good way. So that's it. These are the 6 tips that I had given if you're planning for a pregnancy. And with this, all the best for your pregnancy journey, and with the time to come I will speak on other tips that you should follow. And please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please keep viewing me and please commenting me what else you want to know. Have a happy time. Take care.